morning all. How are you all? Fine, great. So class, now after your 2 days holidays, it's time to begin with our classes for this week, isn't it? So you all must have enjoyed your holidays and you also must have enjoyed the conversation video and gained a lot of knowledge regarding different festivals that we celebrate. So class, now festive season is coming, isn't it? We are going to celebrate a lot of festivals now. So what you can do, observe carefully and just try to find out with your parents why we celebrate these festivals. Okay? So moving towards our today's classes. So today is Monday, as I told you, after your 2 days holidays, and the date is 12th October 2020. So that is our today's date. What we are going to do today in maths, we are going to do the topic before and between. So the topic before is something that you already know. So what comes before? Before means pehle wala, and what comes after? Baad wala. This is something that we have already done. So before is the topic that we are going to revise, and between is the topic that we are going to learn today. Clear? So first we are going to do our topic, what comes before. So what it says, before means pehle wala, isn't it? Now I have a picture of tree here. Can you see this picture of a tree? There is a tree and a ball here. Can you see that? What we are going to do? Now if I ask you, draw a toffee or a candy before tree. Draw a candy before tree. तो आप कहाँ draw करोगे? Tell me, here or here? Where you are going to draw it? We are going to draw before tree. So before means pehle wala. What is the meaning of before? Previous one, pehle wala, isn't it? When we say counting, a part of these pictures, when we say counting, if I say what comes before 4 या before 5, 5 से पहले क्या आता है? So when we will say our counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, तो 5 से पहले हमने क्या बोला? 4. That means before, पहले वाला. Similarly, if I ask you draw a candy before, before मतलब tree से पहले, before tree, tree से पहले आपको एक कैंडी बनानी है. तो मैम ने आपको जगह बताई ना, I have told you the position. Position किस चीज की? कैंडी की, कि आपको जो कैंडी ड्रॉ करनी है वो कहाँ ड्रॉ करनी है, isn't it? So I have told you the position. So let's draw a candy before tree. So how we are going to draw that? An oval shape. So this is how we have sweet candies, isn't it? So we have drawn a candy before tree. Before पहले हो गया. Now if I ask you what is before ball? Can you tell me what is before ball? Ball से पहले क्या है? What picture you can see before the ball? So what will be the answer? It's a tree. Before ball, ball है ना? Ball से before. तो अब हमें क्या करना है? First we are going to search tree. Oh sorry, ball. First we are going to search ball. Ball मिल गई. Before ball. Before is पहले वाला. So ball से पहले क्या है? Tree है. Isn't it? So this is what comes before. Yeah, what is before. Okay. Now taking to the next example, we have a flower and a balloon. Clear? Now can you tell me what is there before a balloon? What is there before a balloon? So first you are going to look for the balloon. So here we have the balloon. Now tell me what is before the balloon? Balloon से पहले क्या है? What is there before the balloon? We have a flower, isn't it? हमारे पास flower है ना balloon से पहले. We have a flower there. Now you have to Again, before means पहले वाला. So what we are going to do now? We will be drawing a car before the flower. Clear? So let's see. So अब हमें क्या करना है? पहले flower shape देखनी है. Flower मिल गया. Before यहाँ पे क्या draw करना है? Car draw करनी है. So let's draw a car here. So like this we are going to draw a car. So this is our car, and where I have drawn it? Before the flower. Understood everyone? What is before? Before means पहले वाला. Before means पहले वाला, जो पहले आता है. Clear? Now if I tell you that we have one rose flower, one sunflower and one marigold flower. So I'll draw it here. Again, okay, for one more example I'm going to take here. So I'll draw flowers here. So this is rose flower we have. Then we have sunflower. ठीक है, this is sunflower. And then we have marigold flowers. So this is marigold. Now tell me which flower is before sunflower. Which flower is before sunflower? So sunflower we have here. This is our sunflower. Which flower is before? Rose flower. And which flower is before marigold flower? Then the answer will be sunflower. Understood? Before means पहले वाला. Before means पहले वाला. You all know what is after? After means something that comes beyond, बाद वाला. जब हम counting बोलते हैं, अगर मैम बोलती है what comes after 7, तो आप बताओगे कि 7 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? Isn't it? What comes after C? Alphabet C के बाद कौन सा alphabet आता है? D. So this is how we do after. After means बाद वाला. Before means पहले वाला. Like if I say what comes before U, U से alphabet U से पहले आप कौन सा alphabet लिखते हो? T. T लिखते हैं ना? After T comes U. So what comes before U is T. So before का मतलब क्या हो गया बच्चा? That comes पहले, जो पहले आता है. Understood? Okay. Now moving to the next we have is between. Between means आपको दो चीजें दी होती हैं उसके बीच में. Clear? So very easy example if I give. Whenever we go for a family photograph, आप हमेशा बीच में होते हैं, है ना? मम्मा पापा साइड में होते हैं and they make you sit in center. पहले मम्मा एक साइड मम्मा होती है, एक साइड पापा होते हैं, and when they are sitting, they make you sit in the center. That means बीच में. देखा है आपने अपना family photograph? Just check it out. This is how you always get it clicked. Isn't it? हाँ, अगर कोई दीदी भैया है तो फिर आप लोग को भी adjust होना पड़ता है. But if you are alone, then you are always in center. Isn't it? So between means किसी भी दो चीज के बीच में बैठना. For example, if I give you, I have two chalks here. So there are two chalk pieces here. One is they are of equal size. See, दोनों equal है. So one like this. Now this is in between. छोटा वाला जो है ना, the one I am using. Now that is in between. So ये देखो, अब ये बीच में आ गया ना. बीच वाला मतलब जो दो के सेंटर में आता है. So that is called in between. Like our nose is in between, center में. The two eyes or the two cheeks, isn't it? So the nose is here. Then see, ma'am is having a bindi here in the center, or you can say in between the two eyebrows. Eyebrows के center में है ना? Isn't it? अब मम्मा का check करना, मम्मा भी बिंदी यहीं लगाते हैं. So where we put it? In between the two eyebrows. ये eyebrows होती है हमारी इनके बीच में. So between means तो सबसे पहली बात हमें बलून बनाना है। कहाँ? इन बिटवीन ट्री एंड कार, ट्री और कार के बीच में। मैंने इन बिटवीन बोला है ना, तो ट्री और कार के बीच में हमें क्या बनाना है? वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ balloon here. Clear? How we are going to do that? So this is a balloon that we have drawn in between the tree and car. Understood that? How we have done it? So what is the meaning of between? Between means बीच में. Between means बीच में. जैसे you have been given two objects. आपको दो ऑब्जेक्ट ड्रॉ करके दिए और बोला you have to draw a new object in between. उन दोनों के बीच में आपको कुछ बनाना है. Clear? For example, what comes in between 7 and 9? अब ये देखो, इधर मैं नंबर्स लिखती हूँ. 7 लिखा, डैश डाला, 9 लिखा. अब काउंटिंग जब हम बोलेंगे 7, आपको 7 को पता है. What will come here? कि जिसके बाद 9 भी आता है. वो 7 के बाद आता है लेकिन 9 से बिफोर आता है. तो एक ऐसा नंबर जो 7 और 9 के बिटवीन में आता है. So tell me what that can be? 8. Yes. तो जब हम काउंटिंग बोलते हैं 7, 8, 9, तो बिटवीन में क्या आ गया हमारा? We have 8 in between. Clear everyone? Now we have a butterfly here. See, there's a butterfly we have. So this is a butterfly and here we have a mat. Now what I want you to draw a basket. देखो जब हम पिकनिक पे जाते हैं we carry a mat, a basket having lot of fruits, then chocolates, all the eating things that we want, all the eatables. And when we go out for picnic and we sit somewhere, we have butterflies, isn't it? So this is how I have created a line here. So we have butterflies and we have mat. What we have to draw is a basket. So draw a basket in between butterfly and mat. तो यानी कि butterfly और mat के between में हमें क्या बनाना है? We will draw a basket. Yes. So how we are going to draw? First, make something like this. And we have a handle too. Clear? And we'll make some zigzags so that it look like the bamboo sticks. Bamboo की होती है ना हमारी जो baskets होती हैं. So this is how we have drawn a basket. Okay class? So like this you are getting some drawing pictures also, isn't it? Practice these drawings. They'll be very useful for you. So what is in between? टू गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट्स के बीच में जब हम कुछ लिखते हैं या ड्रॉ करते हैं, सो वी कॉल दैट बिटवीन. बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में. एंड इफ वी टॉक अबाउट बिफोर, बिफोर मीन्स पहले वाला. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बिफोर? प्रीवियस वन, पहले वाला. एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ बिटवीन? दैट मीन्स बीच में, इन द सेंटर. Clear everyone? Okay. Now moving towards our today's book work. So all of you open your maths book on page number 102 and 103. So book page number 102 is your classwork and 103 is your homework. Clear everyone? Open your book and I'm going to tell you how we are going to do that work. Okay beta? So class, now open your number book 1 and as I told you we are going to do work on page number 102. Yes. So now all of you open page number 102 in your book and there you will find the topic before. So I told you what is the meaning of before? Before means पहले. Yes, जो पहले होता है. Now draw something before the picture. Now see, you have been given an empty box here with two pictures after it. That means one crayon color and a book. ठीक है, अब आपको क्या करना है, इन दोनों से बिफोर यू हैव टू ड्रॉ अ पिक्चर बिफोर. सो बिफोर मीन्स इन दिस बॉक्स. सो नाउ टेल मी व्हाट वी कैन ड्रॉ. We can draw a pencil because we need colors and books when we study. So when we study we need a pencil also. So let's draw a pencil. But before that we are going to write today's date. So today is 12th October 2020. So this is our today's date, class. And this is our classwork. So what we are going to write, we'll write CW like this. Clear? Now before, so what we are going to draw here, we are going to draw a picture of pencil. So see how we are going to draw. First make a reverse U shape, then draw two standing lines like this. After that draw a zigzag line, then two slanting lines, and here you are going to draw you are going to fill this pencil like this. Clear? And from here we'll draw one curve like this. After that we'll draw few standing lines. So this is how we are going to draw a pencil. Clear, everyone? Now next picture says, draw again here also, draw something before the picture. So here we have a butterfly and a housefly, or you can say it's a honeybee. Yes, honeybee hai ye. So these are small flies. Now what we can draw here? We can draw a ant. We can draw an ant also. So let's draw an ant here. Before यानी कि this over here we are going to draw. पहले, before means पहले. So how we are going to draw an ant? First make a small square like this and two antennas on it. Draw eyes and a smile. After that we are going to add it like this 3 times, and then we'll draw the legs here. So this is an ant. This is how you are going to draw an ant. Clear, class? This is your today's classwork. Now moving towards today's homework. So the topic that we have done is on page number 103 now. The next topic that we have done is between. Yes. And can you tell me what is the meaning of between? Between means beech mein. Yes. So first we are going to write today's date here, 12th October 2020, and this is our homework. So we'll write HW. Clear? Draw something between the two things. Now see, two things are given. Now you have to draw something here in between. So one is tree and one is car. So you have to draw something here in between. Then we have a cake and a watermelon. Again you are going to draw something here in this box. Clear, everyone? This is your today's homework. Okay, so page number 102 is classwork, and page number 103, the topic is between, is your today's homework. Okay. So class, I suppose that you have understood everything regarding the two topics that I have taught you today. Repeatedly I am saying, whenever we are talking about before, हम जब भी पहले के बारे में बात करते हैं, before word का use करते हैं, उसका meaning होता है पहले वाला. Then when we are talking about after is called between. That position is called between. As we have just run, balloon between tree and car, basket between butterfly and man. So this is between, बीच में, and before is पहले वाला. Clear everyone? So now finish your work and after that get ready for your